My creative dream is to become a master gardener. But that's really only part of a larger dream. I love nature, and I want to learn everything I can about our planet Earth, to understand and feel connected with nature. Gardening is merely one aspect of that. As humans, we have a habit of living on the Earth rather than with the Earth. It's easy to forget that this beautiful planet was here long before we arrived, and it's easy to dismiss the plants and animals around us as intruders rather than family. In the act of gardening, I feel briefly like I am a part of this great being, marching in step with nature rather than inhabiting it. My soul feels complete, like I have come home. The beauty of nature is not just in the physical beauty we see and feel, but also in the lessons it teaches us. Nature is not interested in the petty concerns of our lives. For us, life is survival of the fittest, and the strong inherit the earth. But at the whim of nature, even the strong must eventually fall. Nature teaches us that life is fleeting, and that today we may be the strong redwood that could live for centuries, but perhaps tomorrow will merely be a fallen log over a stream. But nature also teaches us to not despair, for from this rotting log covered in lichen will spring new life and new forms of beauty. Because the most important lesson of all that nature can share is that life really is a circle, and that while we ourselves may not continue on forever, that spark of life always will.